Welcome to the very first video of Just Tings. I'm Cyrus, and we are starting with a story that has the whole of South Africa questioning what is real and what is cloned. Mihlali Ndamase, the face of SA Beauty, just dropped a statement that sent shockwaves through the industry. She isn't talking about a new brand deal, she's talking about her life. She's naming a man named Michael Brits and claiming she's in a fight for her own self-preservation. But before the ink was even dry on that statement, it vanished, and the plot didn't just thicken, it completely flipped. Let's look at the things she actually said. In the screenshot, Mihlali alleges she has been subjected to months of ongoing harassment and intimidation. She mentions that this isn't just online. She claims Michael has been monitoring her movements, showing up at her workplace, and even approaching her family members. The most chilling part? She says she's releasing this because silence has become unsafe. She stood firm on one principle: a woman does not owe access to her life or her body just because she was pursued. It was a powerful stance on boundaries, but the internet didn't even have an hour to process it before things got weird. Suddenly, the statement was gone, deleted. In the world of Just Tings, a deleted post usually means one of two things: legal pressure or a change in strategy. But then Michael Brits entered the chat. He didn't just defend himself, he claims he doesn't even know who Mihlali Ndamase is. Mike reportedly stated that he never pursued her, doesn't have her number, and has no idea why his name is in her mouth. This is where it gets scary. How can one person claim they are being stalked by a man who claims he's a total stranger? It makes you wonder, is this a case of extreme gaslighting, or is there a third party we don't know about yet? The reaction has been split down the middle. Half of the internet is standing with Mihlali, saying we have to believe women when they say they are in danger. The other half is pointing to her past drama, like the Leroy Sadambe situation, and asking for receipts. But here's the thing: regardless of anyone's past, stalking is a serious criminal allegation. If a phone was truly cloned, as some reports suggest, we're looking at a high-level invasion of privacy. Mike's total denial is a bold move. It's a ghosting strategy that either clears his name or makes the mystery 10 times bigger. This is our first deep dive here on Just Tings. We're going to be following this story as the receipts come out, and you know they always do. What's your take? Is Mike telling the truth, or is Mihlali right to be afraid? Drop your thoughts below. This is Just Tings, and I'll see you tomorrow.